Namaste! Welcome to your morning yoga stretch. Only a few minutes a day can make a big difference. Let's begin in a seated cross-legged position. Spin your inner thighs down, lengthen your spine, and relax your shoulders. Place your palms on your knees. As you take a big belly breath in through your nose, open your chest and slightly lift your chin. Exhale, round your spine, bring your chin to your chest. Seated cat-cow pose exercise. Inhale, open across your chest, slightly arch your spine. Exhale, round your spine. Bring your upper body a little bit backwards. Inhale, bring your chest forward. And exhale, round and contract. And the last breathing cycle. Inhale, open your chest, let the sun shine in. And exhale, rounding your spine, chin to your chest. Well done. Come back to neutral spine. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, twist from above your waist to your right side. Left hand comes down to your right knee. Right hand is next to your right hip on the ground. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale to twist a little bit deeper. On your next inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, rotate your chest to your left. Right hand on your left knee, left hand next to your left hip on the ground. Inhale to lengthen up. Exhale to twist a little bit deeper. And continue to breathe deeply. Twists are great to energize and warm up your spine. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, come back to center, lower your arms down. Then bring your knees in, lengthen out your left leg, flex your left foot, and place your right foot sole against your left inner thigh. Gently let your right knee fall open towards the ground. As you inhale, lift your arms up, lengthen your spine. Exhale, keep lengthening your spine, and then slowly fold forward from your hip creases. Keep lengthening your spine, then place your hands on the ground. Walk yourself a little bit further. Go as far as you can go, so listen to your body. Lower your head down last. Breathe deeply and head to knee pose, Janu Shirshasana. On your next inhale, walk yourself back up and out of the pose. Sit up tall. Then place your right hand next to your right hip onto your yoga mat. Ground down. As you inhale, circle your left arm towards the front and then overhead. At the same time, lift your pelvis up. Keep lengthening out your left leg. For baby wild thing, open your chest, open your heart and your hips. Breathe deeply. Slowly as you exhale, sit back down. And we'll add another twist here. So bring your right foot over your left thigh. Place your right foot sole by the outside of your left thigh. Inhale, lift your right arm up. And then slowly as you exhale, begin to twist and turn your chest to your right side. Hug your right knee with your left arm. So your right hand is next to your right hip on the ground. Lengthen as you inhale and twist a little bit further as you exhale. Beautiful, and then release. Come back to center. Switch sides. Lengthen out your right leg, flex your right foot, bend your left knee, and place your left foot sole against your right inner thigh. Let your left knee fall open. As you inhale, lift your arms up, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward from your hips. Keep lengthening. Bring your tummy towards your upper leg. Place your hands on the ground for support and slowly walk yourself a little bit further with each exhale. Listen to your body, go as far as you can go. This is your practice. Lower your head down last and breathe deeply. Janu Shirshasana on the other side. Head to knee pose. On your next inhale, slowly walk yourself back up. Place your left hand next to your left hip on your yoga mat. Ground down. Take a deep breath in and then circle your right arm forward, overhead. lifting your pelvis up. Keep lengthening out your right leg. Open your whole front body. Breathe deeply. For baby wild thing. Beautiful. And slowly sit back down. Going for a twist. Place your left foot by the outside of your right thigh. Then plant your left palm firmly into your yoga mat next to your left hip. Inhale, lengthen your right arm, lengthen your spine. Exhale, hug your left knee with your right arm, twisting your chest towards your left side. So inhale to lengthen your spine. Exhale, twist a little bit deeper. Then on your next inhale, come back to center and release. Come into a seated cross-legged position, crossing your legs at your shins. Sit up tall. Bring the tops of your ears up and back. Rest your palms on your knees. Take a moment to check in with yourself and notice how your body feels. Notice your breathing, the quality of your breath. And then let's seal this practice together with a deep breath in. Circle your arms up. Gather all the love, light, and positive energy into your whole being. As you exhale, let your palms kiss and draw your palms down in front of your heart. Anjali Mudra, prayer position. Take a moment to thank yourself for taking this time to stretch, breathe deeply, starting your day mindfully, and thank you so much for joining me. May this practice be a blessing to you, from my heart to yours. Thank you so much for watching. For more Blissful Mornings, sign up now for your free Blissful Morning Guide by clicking the first link below this video. Just enter your first name and email and I'll send it to you right away. This guide also has a special video with my top 4 morning yoga stretches that everybody can do. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and let me know in the comments how it went for you, what your favorite part was. And I look forward to practicing with you soon again.